Yo, what is up, my friendly rednecks? Welcome back to another video. Today I got my boy Weiler here, another member of the CFR, and today we're going to be working on a Honda Accord 06. We're going to be trying to take the tires off, disc brakes off, and all that, so we get down to the tire bearings and rip those out and replace them. So we're going to get straight to it by ripping off the tires, disc brakes, and then fighting a strip screw. So let's get to it. On these 06 Hondas, they have locking nuts, so you have to have a special little lug to get it off. Yeah, that's the pattern on the locking ones. And then you only need it for one. Okay, let's go to the other side. Yeah, okay. And now the part we're going to struggle with is that this little screw and this little screw are both very strict.
Gotcha.
So we're going to have to tackle those.
Yeah.
So we're going to get the calipers off first, and then we'll tackle those. We probably won't show much of that because I fight strip bolts for too long. So. Now we gotta try and get these strip bolts out. So we'll cut back to when the strip bolts are out. Good?
Yep.
All right, good enough. Move to the other side. That is so scary. I don't know if the bar is gonna break or what. Yeah. Dude, did you know how much this thing was bending?
Yeah,
it was bending like a mother. All right, now we gotta take off the ABS sensors right here. Most of the time these are seized up though, so you're more than likely just gonna have to cut it. But we're gonna have to take that off on both sides and then work our way around taking off these ball joints. Maybe we don't have to buy you new ones. Ooh, we'll still replace them. We got the stuff for it. Go ahead and show them.
You think you'd be able to get like the big pick and pull it out if I like pull those little pins out?
Right in there, that little plug is what we're after. Oh, what? So this one right here, this one right down here, and this one right here. And then we should be able to pull off this whole arm. Whoa. So we can pull up on this?
No, it'll come up. You want me to take it out so it's wider?
No, it's all right.
I'll have to angle it. Just want to go all the way around?
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
Get the dolly. Get the dolly, put air in it. It's really good.
Where's the dolly?
A little bit.
Yeah, like this isn't very practical. You see how not very practical this is?
So this piece we need put on here. Make it longer if need be.
Late again, same old me. Lost the day before I found my keys. I trip on planes I'll never keep. Blame it on my ADD. So give it up now for the losers. Give it up now for me. And may all the uncrowned rulers rest in peace. Kill the ghost within your soul. Give it all you got, let go. Time's up to say goodbye. Take the fall and dry your eye. Free the child you used to be. Let your heart beat honestly. Time to learn
I don't know. Both of his slide out like frickin' rubber. Cause you know, doesn't got a redneck press. This one does the job though. I'm surprised. Nobody died. A plus.
Learn to breathe beneath my skin. Some days we lose, some days we win. I plant my doubts in the violin. So give it up now for the weirdos. Give it up now for the geeks. And for all of my heroes.
Okay. Now we clean up this arm and get it all ready for the new parts.
Take the fall and dry your eye. Create a child you used to be. Let your heart beat honestly. Time to learn how to forgive. Take what's gone and learn to live. And for all of my heroes standing by me. Kill the ghost within your soul. Give it all, you gotta let go. Time's up to say goodbye. Take the fall and dry your eyes.
Now we need to do the middle one. So now hop back up on my phone here. The tie rod and that 32 to 43. There's not much commentary in this video, but sucks to suck. brake clean.
You have to clean your lens now.
What lens?
On the camera.
It'd be alright.
It's my camera, mother.
No, yours is over there. I swapped it out.
We'll try it.
Round aluminum water tank for your truck.
Scared my panties loose.
Alright, you're touching.
Huh?
You're touching the bottom.
Am I?
Yeah. Yeah. We have more room to press now. There we go. Watch the bearings on the bottom.
Can you get that?
Yeah, I see what you mean. I was gonna say, I was gonna warn you about that one. Nice.
That fucking hurt, let me tell you. Can't get these fuckers in there good enough without. Okay, hold on. Sweet. Where's the other piece? The metal one?
Piece, middle piece,
The top?
top,
The one that I pried out like a paint can?
that one.
Oh, this one's making me nervous.
You got all the locks out?
Yeah,
Not going against that lip, are you?
I don't think so. Because the lip's on the inside, ain't it?
Yeah, I think you're it's not even moving.
No, I don't know. Let's go back.
You could be. I think you're right. I think you're on the inside or something. Don't look right.
No, I think it's the other way.
No, the lips right here.
Are you sure?
Did you pull out the cotter, the keeper?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yes, maybe you still don't have. Let's see your pieces and parts here. Maybe you're at the end of your stroke. Would you just have into this or that?
Full that.
It's just like right in there. There we go. We got something. What we got? We got something.
Should I keep my hands here?
No. Okay, where's your bar?
Okay.
Sure, you got everything out, right?
Yep, positive. Careful, my love.
Like, if this comes out, it's gonna hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like
Hey,
it would
that's a
go
lot of
that way.
pressure. Just have too much flex and all the stuff you're trying to use. You're at the end of your stroke.
Is that why?
Or you just didn't have the guts to go to one more click. I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt. I'm old. If I get hurt, I'm f***ing off to work. You got insurance.
All right. Now it's time to clean all that shit and put the new one in. Okay, now hold on. I'm gonna rub some on the outside, right up here.
Pretty good.
Okay.
Pump it.
Pump it.
Yep.
Going in all nice and even.
Yep. Lines look straight.
Mine is too.
Perfect. Yeah, that little bit of grease helped. So.
That in?
I'd say so. No telling until
We're gonna have to get a little rag and get that little bit out.
Yep.
You're lucky.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and start pushing down. Yep.
Cool.
There we go. Try to push this in a little bit if you can. Like
I think that's all it goes
tap
in.
on the
This
top.
backside is thicker too.
Is it?
Yeah. That's the way it's shaped.
Okay. Go ahead and flip her. Sweet. I think that's it, right?
Yep. Now we just gotta put that little hub in there.
Oh, the hub. I forgot about the hub.
And I need to go for that part.
Yeah, boy. Damn right, I'm gonna go for the shaft.
Well, at least have some.
Time is of the essence right now. Alright. Y'all ever think about doing this? Get a real press. Not no redneck hillbilly press. Get a real press. It would be 1,000 times easier. I mean, it's not working right all that bad right now, but
'Cause that's all we have.
yeah. Just watch it, make sure it's going in straight.
Yep.
Good?
Yep.
Sweet. Okay. Like at the end of our crazy how quick this side was.
Yeah. And that's pretty good.
Come on, saw, turn the key and cooler on. Push a pause for relief. Free pass, you don't even have to ask to be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole deal through today. I've got better things to do. Okay, to leave a little bit undone and be the cat in the sun. Be the cat in the sun.
Fucking torque it, dude. That's the best you got.
There we go. Now
It ain't
she's
never
in there.
coming out.
Loosen up on the grind.
Just gotta give it that little bit more, you feel?
Yeah, dude. Heck yeah.
Be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole.
You gotta get deeper down in there.
Be the cat.
Let's wait till we drop it on the ground. And bro, so you remember Travis's torque, right?
Who's torque?
In his car? Travis's?
Oh yeah.
His torque in his car, bro?
Yeah.
Alright, now you're gonna compare it to this one. Because it's basically,
VTEC too.
it also has a VTEC, and this is also cold air intake, just like it is. Except I have a 6-speed.
Yeah.
She has a 6-speed. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you caught Travis.
I ain't gonna lie, bro.
16 seconds.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. It cooks really good. All right, well, as you guys can see, we got the car fixed. Everything's all working. As you can see, I'm shirtless. I'm hot, and I'm not putting a shirt on, so go f yourself. We got it all fixed. We're all ready. We're taking it out, cruising around, but we're just making sure everything's all good, all right. And so far, everything's looking better than it ever was. Let me tell you, this steering wheel used to shake a little bit and everything. It's not moving at all now. I ain't hearing no scratching or no noise like that. So
Right.
everything seems all good. Bruh. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this one. I had a great time with it. I probably would not have got it done if it wasn't for this man right here. This man is so strong, and he is my personal torque wrench, and nobody is taking that. So that is my title. We're done with this one. We're wrapping shit up. This was a pain in the ass, I'm not gonna lie, but it's all done now. We're all good. Everything's solid. We're all mint, and this is ready to be driven by a woman. So how you feel? Alrighty then. Yeah, that'll be it. Friendly Rednecks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please drop down, hit that like button. If you didn't, drop down, hit that like button. I don't care. You thought I was gonna switch it up, didn't you? But I'm not. All right. If you want to be a friendly redneck, drop down, hit that red button. You feel me? It's that big red button that says subscribe. You already know the button, so just hit it for me. You watched the video all the way through, so you might as well. All right, come on, bro. Every subscriber gives this dude 1 cent. 1 cent. Yeah. He doesn't really get paid that much, so he needs some money, and he needs y'all's help. So, but all right, thank you guys so much for watching this one, and we will see y'all in the next one. Later.